Make D the subject means get D on its own, so we need to move that 5 by doing the opposite, -5. We need W on its own for this question, so we need to move that divide by W, meaning we times by W. It's the opposite. So with all of these equations, all we want to do is do the opposite of the thing that is attached to the question that we want. For example, making X the subject here, 3 is in the way, so we divide by 3, it's the opposite. And there it is in the answers. W is what we want. First, do the one that is furthest away. So the -a we add on because we do the opposite, and then we can divide by 3. And can you see that we put it all over 3, not just Y or just A? This is a nice one, so we can put it in alphabetical order, AS, or leave it as SA, it's the same exact thing. Now for these questions, we are just going to look at the rearrange the subject ones. So a good habit is to circle the one that you want, and then you can see what's furthest away. I do the opposite, and then write down what your next step might be. And you can always underline the thing that you need to undo. And then it's very clear to you and any examiner. Circle what you need, then do the opposite to the thing that's attached to it. This is a 2-step one. So what we need, X is in the bottom. So we're going to multiply by X to get it away from being in the bottom of a fraction. And then we're going to deal with what it's attached to. It's a difficult one, that one. We're going to make T the subject. So it means we need to do the opposite. And that person did not do the opposite. So you can just write down exactly that when you're doing any of these explain ones. At this point, this is a reminder that these questions are going very, very fast, and you should pause and rewind to watch more. Perimeter, I like this one. So you need to include all of the sides, and then you add them all up together. So then we just collect like terms. Underlining keeps me on track so I don't make any mistakes. And then we've got express X in terms of P, which just means express X in terms of P means that X equals is what we're going for. So like we've done with everything else, thinking about opposites and being careful with our fractions. Circle what we need, go for the bottom of the fraction first, do the opposite, so that's times, write down where you're at, underline what you need to do, keep yourself on track with this. Remember, these questions are all about opposites. Do you know what your inverses are? Adding and subtracting, timesing and dividing. Here, be extra careful because you need to times the left side by 4, which means times all of it. And the best thing to do is to put it all in brackets. Carrying on, circle what you need, do the furthest thing first, the opposite.